What's up, everybody? Today I have started a bit later. It is actually 6 o'clock. So we are very late on starting the vlog. I travelled back from New York at 11 o'clock, got in here at about 3, then got to Arlington where the last clip was shot for yesterday's vlog, about 4ish. I have since then been sitting editing, and tonight I'm going to be going up to Isabel's work yet again, to pick her up once she's finished work, and we're going hiking tomorrow as well. So I don't know how long this vlog's going to be. If it's a very short one, I apologise. If it's not, then we'll see how it goes. But hopefully you enjoy this, and I will see your faces shortly. Yeah, so 1 hour later, after the vlog being uploaded, I'm on my way out to the metro. Going to head towards Lincoln Memorial again. I'm going to get some shots with the DSLR. Hopefully it's a bit quieter than it was during the day when me and Isabel went out on the second day of being here, so I can get some of that B-roll shots for a kind of visit DC video, and get some good music to it as well, get it a proper cinematic. And we're into the metro, onto the Orange Line, into DC. So I got off at Foggy Bottom metro station. It's a 15-minute walk down 23rd Street Northwest, and then we'll be at Lincoln Memorial and Washington. So I might not be able to do the B-roll filming. There appears to be a rally or something going on outside the Lincoln Memorial, so I'll see if I can get past and go up. If not, then yeah, we'll see. Alright, so I always feel a wee bit awkward in those places like the Lincoln Memorial because it's so quiet, even more so with what's going on behind us. It's about lights of hope. So yeah, we got the shots we needed, and now we're heading down to the reflecting pool for some more shots. The downside of being at water just now is that the mosquitoes are out of force, but you've got to get those tasty shots, so necessary evil. So all I can say is that this is the longest escalator I've been on yet in DC, at Woodley Park, and for someone that has an aversion to heights slightly, it's a bit daunting. So yeah, I'll give you a shot of down there. That's how far it is. Almost at the top. One thing I wish I'd caught video of earlier was when I was down by the Washington Monument and Lincoln Memorial. I was walking along, genuinely thought it was a dog that had jumped in, but a guy had stepped one step too far and fell into the pool, hopped back out after like a second, and was absolutely drenched head to toe. One of those moments you wish you had your camera out but didn't. So next time, lesson learned, always have the camera ready to roll. Alright guys, so that's me almost at the Line Hotel. That's going to be the end of today's vlog. That marks the end of today's vlog. If you liked this video, leave a comment down below. If you want to give it a thumbs up, much appreciated. As always guys, please subscribe. Can't appreciate anybody that does more. And until next time guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one.